My name is Connor, and I want to talk about the voice acting experience I had. I think it was one of the coolest things I've ever done, and I really liked it with Yvonne and Tony Todd, and learning about more things like the Focus Comics, and it's about a autistic superhero, comics, movies, basically intertwined, and I think it's really cool how you can basically retell a story in different forms. I just have one question for you. How can you like get a director's attention so like maybe want to hire you in a movie or maybe like a TV show or maybe like you're in a video game like you are in right now?
You got to be yourself. You got to know what your strengths are, what your high notes are, what your low notes are. And then you don't worry about whether they like you. You go in, you do your job, and then you go about your day. And if they call you, they call you. And if they don't, you still know who you are. And you just keep moving on.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
So good luck to you.
I, I just can't believe I actually met like a really cool actor like Tony Todd, like someone who's played in Transformers, is doing a video game, voice acted Venom, Zoom and Flash. I think he's a really cool guy. So what I've learned with Tony Todd with voice acting techniques is how you can actually change your voice to make it sound like certain people or characters. You just need practice and you probably could sound at anybody that you want to. I think the program makes me feel like really special and learning about all these techniques of art and voice acting, and I think it's a really cool program.